Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. So first, what you guys want to do is basically remove the screen protector and a case because it can cause a lot of interference. So when a screen protector is misaligned, then that may cause issues with your screen exactly whenever you touch, let's say, the right part of the screen. So for example, you're touching here and your screen is just misplaced something up top or at the bottom or on the left side, then you will just not get the same responsiveness when it's completely removed. So make sure to remove the screen protector if that's the case. But if you do have a phone case and it's good, then you don't have to worry about anything. But most of the times the issues with touchscreen not responding via case is because they just cover a little bit of screen, and that can cause the phone to not respond to any of your touches. So what you guys can do next is restart the device. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now what you guys want to do is scroll up to restart, and now your phone will restart. So I'll see you guys once mine is ready. So now after the restart, what you guys can do is update the software to fix any issues with your touchscreen not responding. So open up your phone, now go over to settings, and here scroll all the way down until you guys see system and update. Here click on software update and make sure that you're running the latest version of your OxygenOS. If you do, then that's great. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it as fast as possible because it can fix a lot of glitches, including the older ones. And it may also fix the touchscreen not responding. So if that didn't work, then as a last resort, what you guys can do is reset your device. So go to backup and reset phone, click erase all data, enter your password, and then click clear. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this quick video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.